Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme 13 Pro Plus to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose wherever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Realme, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some deep pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!